You're running an auto repair shop to support your family. You're doing marketing to try to grow your car count and make more money and earn more profits. And you stop and ask yourself, should I be texting to grow my car count? On this video, I'm going to give you 7 reasons why you should be texting today, and I'm going to show you how to get it for free. All you have to do right now is buckle up because we're going to get started. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day to watch this video. If you're a repair shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profit, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So we talked at the beginning of this about you're running an auto repair shop and should you be texting to grow your car count? So I thought about this and said, you know what? When you dig down to it, there's 7 reasons why you should be texting. First of all, it gets people's attention. Let's face it. So when I released this video about marketing your auto repair shop in 2020, one of the first things I said is it's absolutely critical to get people's attention. And think about it. How many distractions are there between Facebook feeds and YouTube videos and, well, not this video, but you get the point, getting people's attention. But text messaging gets their attention and it is direct to them. You're not wasting a bunch of money on Facebook ads that are going to thousands of people who may be 200 or 300 miles away from your shop. You're not running YouTube pre-roll ads. You're not doing a bunch of mail and putting money up out front. Texting gets to the people you want to get to right away. After all, the facts say 93% of text messages get read inside of 3 minutes. So, in fact, I could rest my case here. But let's go on to number 2. Reason number 2, text messaging is far less invasive. Look, I don't have to stop what I'm doing. I don't have to stop and answer the phone. I don't have to excuse myself from a meeting. I don't have to leave the group of people I'm with. In fact, I could be in a movie theater. Well, that's not a good idea, but I could be in a movie theater and get your text message because you get it direct to me. Reason number 3, text messaging is far more convenient for your customer. Look, they lead busy lives with, there's things to do after school with the kids. There's getting the kids to and from school. There's things going on at work. Texting is just far more convenient. Whether I'm stuck in a meeting or I'm out at lunch, it really doesn't matter. Texting is just far more convenient. Reason number 4, texting can be done, sent, and received from just about anywhere. Now, I'm not going to get into details here because I'll let you go, let your mind wander as to where anywhere could be. But really think about it. Texting can happen anywhere. Number 5, texting is really part of everyday life. Now, I could just say, look at what you do. You text, whether it's your friends, your better half, your kids, it doesn't matter. You don't call them anymore, but texting has become part of everyday life. Even though, in reality, it's only about 20 years old. But there has been no other innovation in communication that has been adopted so quickly and by so many as texting. And just to back that up, 98% of consumers say they text on a regular basis, like every day. And 88% of your customers said that the number 1 reason they bought a smartphone was for texting. I rest my case again. Reason number 6, why is texting the preferred way of doing things? Well, look, think about it. I don't have to stop what I'm doing. I don't have to stop and answer the phone. I don't have to excuse myself from a meeting. I don't have to walk away from a table that I'm out with friends and family. Texting is just far more convenient and preferred way for me to get in touch with you or to reply to you. And if you're still thinking that voicemail isn't as invasive, think about this. 29% of your customers said they don't even listen to the voicemail message, so that when you've got to talk to them, they call you back almost as if your call was a distraction because you weren't texting them, and then you've got to repeat everything all over again. So why even bother leaving a voicemail? Reason number 7, texting goes across all demographics. And I'm telling you, I mean all of them. Look, working with my underground group of car count hackers, when they started using two-way texting and started talking to their customers, virtually every time customers would tell them they would prefer to be contacted by text about, the quote on their car, or something is done, or the car is ready to be picked up, or hey, where did you leave the wheel locks? Texting was the preferred method of communication across all demographics. So now I only have one question for you. Why aren't you texting already? And with that said, let me tell you that right now in the links below, you can go ahead and sign up for a 14-day free trial on the GoMo two-way text messaging system. It's the only system that is developed for auto repair shop owners to help you grow your car count, income, and profits. If you're still here hanging around at the end of this video, watch this video on marketing your auto repair shop through 2020, and then this video on how to get more car count in 6 days or less. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. I can't wait to see you on the next video. Take care and talk soon.